Welcome! If you're looking to change your name on Roblox using the latest web update on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through every step so you can update your Roblox name with ease. First, open up your favorite web browser and head straight to the Roblox website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open up your account options. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account information page. Here, you'll find all your personal details, including your current display name and username. Now, focus on the account info section. Next to your name, you'll spot a small edit icon that looks like a pencil or paper. Click on this edit icon. A new window will pop up, allowing you to enter your new desired name. Take a moment to choose a name you really like, and make sure it follows Roblox's community guidelines. Remember, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days, so pick wisely. Once you've typed in your new name, simply click the Save button. That's it. Your display name will update instantly, and you'll see it reflected across your Roblox account and in games. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page to make sure everything's updated. A quick note. Changing your display name is free. But if you want to change your username, the unique name tied to your account, you'll need to spend some Robux. For most users, updating the display name is all you need to stand out and personalize your Roblox experience. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've changed your name on Roblox using the latest web update. Enjoy your new identity and have fun exploring the Roblox universe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends.